Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to unlock the account of any user from the AD. So normally the user or your staff in your company, they will see on this end the refresh account is currently locked out. So in that case, what you have to do it, just go to the AD, then here just find the user, and in this case that's me. And here double click the user and go to the account, and normally you will see the account is currently locked out on the AD. So just click unlock and click on apply and click on OK. You might need to reset the password as well in sometimes if they don't know the password. Now we'll just verify whether the account is unlocked or not. So just double click it, go to the account again. So here it is gone, the error is gone. So now we'll go and put the password and we'll see the account is unlocked or not. Now we'll try by putting the password. So that's my password for the user. So just click enter and finally you will get logged in. The error which is account locked, it's gone. So this is how you can unlock the account from AD. I hope now you know how to unlock the account from AD. And thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the video. Thank you.